Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing some Roomba drills. I know you guys have been cooped up at home, so you need to stand up and you need to dance and you need to get your drills in because technique is important. I don't care how many times you've done your Roomba walks, you're doing them again. Okay guys, so first we're gonna start with Roomba walks. I always say to all of my students that we have 4 stages in the Roomba walks. So I'm gonna take you with me. We have prepare your right foot to dance. We have 1. You're gonna take the step, 2 heels down, weight 50-50. On 2, you're gonna pick up your back heel, still keeping your knees straight. Yeah, I forgot to say that. We have a first step, 2 straight knees. Make sure your knees are always straight. And then on 2, your back heel goes up, knees still straight. On 3, your back foot will turn out and go onto the toe. And 4, you will collect your left foot to your right foot. 4. Yeah, and then we do that again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our feet in dancing in general, we work on 2 tracks. So we never want, so my right foot has, I usually use the floorboards. My right foot has the one floorboard and my left foot has the left floorboard, yeah? So I usually work like this. If you have a hardwood floor in your house, probably would be best that you do this. And I always make sure that when I step, I keep my right foot on the right one, yeah? And then I move through and I keep my left foot on the left one. Your feet can either be straight or slightly turned out. Yeah, I would not suggest this because now we're crossing our feet extra into the other track. So we're trying to keep it straight or slightly turned out. So when we do our Roomba, the 4 phases in the Roomba walk, try to also do it with your tracking of your feet. So get a floorboard, right on right, left on left, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also guys, remember, so on the 1, right, we have 1, then we have 2. On the 3rd one, when we are going to the toe, we are using our back foot and we're also going to the toe and turning it out. Yeah, so it's like a bolt and a screw. So it pushes into the floor and turns. Yeah, so you get this feeling that it pushes into the floor and it turns in. Yes, oh sorry, not in, turns out. Bad word, turns out. So it goes into the floor and turns out. Yeah, so let's just practice that, guys. We have from the ball of the foot, we're gonna go out and in, and out and in, and out and in, and out, and make sure that ankle is pushing towards the floor. So you're using your inside edges of your big toe. We're not getting this. Yeah, that's a not so nice line in the leg. So we want to make sure that inside edges of the foot is pushing down. Shaking a little bit today. Pushing that ankle towards the floor. Yeah, and we'll do it with the other foot. Here we go. Drill to the other side. Here we go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Keep going. And 5, and really turn it and push it down, and 7, and 8. You should feel the burn. I'm really feeling the burn right now. Shake it out. Yeah? So when we do our 4 phases, make sure that you're doing that. Here we go. We're gonna try it again. Let me do it towards you. We have 1, 2, push it out and collect. 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 I'm gonna do it facing back. Here we go. And 1, 2, push it out and collect. 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 Yeah? Also, guys, when you're bringing that foot in, yeah, so we just did this. Yeah, we just pushed it out. Yeah, when I'm bringing my back foot in, I want to make sure that I bring it back, yeah, in, to go on a straight line. Yeah, so I don't want to leave it out and then we get this weird knee shape. Yeah, so always what I say is thighs, knees, calf, ankle, step. And we go. Again. Thigh, knee, calf, ankle, step. And thigh, knee, calf, ankle, step. Yeah, I'm gonna do it towards you. Here we go. And step. We'll do the phases. I'll do the phases. Yeah. And 1, 2, 3. Thigh, knee, calf, ankle. 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 Alrighty, guys, we are going to do that a bajillion times. Are you ready? Here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, guys, we are going to practice the tracks. We are going to do it with normal Rumba timing, which is 2, 3, 4, hold 1. We're going to make sure our right, so you're going to find 2 floorboards. You're going to make sure your right one is on the right one, on the right side, and your left one is on the left side, and they're next to each other. And you're going to make sure regular Rumba timing, you're going to have and 2, and 3, and 4, hold 1. So we're just focusing on the tracks now. We're not really focusing so much on the phases in the Rumba walk. We're going to be more focused on the tracks, but making still sure our feet look nice. So let's do that with music. Ready? And 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and left, right, left, and right, left, right, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, guys, now we're gonna practice our thigh, knee, calf, ankle exercise without music, though. Here we go. And step, and thigh, knee, calf, ankle, step, 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 thigh, kneecap, ankle, step, thigh, kneecap, ankle, step, thigh, kneecap, ankle, step. Okay guys, I hope that you found this video super helpful. You can keep putting it on repeat, keep working on your feet, because if your feet aren't perfect, your knees won't be perfect, your hips won't be perfect, your arms won't be perfect, and everything will not be perfect. So you've got to make sure you perfect your feet first and then work up. And that is going to definitely be one of our upcoming videos will be hip action. So stay tuned and we will definitely be talking about hips.